Hello and welcome back to another WordPress tutorial. Today in this video you will learn complete SEO of WordPress website, including ranking your website on top of Google searches. So if someone search for your website domain name, they will find your website on top of Google searches. Also we will see how we can add our website as our property in Google console, and also we will add sitemap in Google console for ranking all of our pages. I'll also show you how to add Google Analytics to your WordPress website for free, with which you can track your audience, their location, how much time they spend on your website, and what are the most visited pages or posts on your website, and so on. And at the end, I'll show you how to add Google AdSense to your WordPress website to display some ads and make some revenue out of it. So let's do one by one, and you will only need a WordPress website and a Gmail account. If you don't have a WordPress website, then you can follow my previous videos and you can create almost any type of website watching my videos. And for this video we will use this website, so we will rank this on top of our Google search, and I'll show you before the SEO and after the SEO results. So let's try searching this URL in Google. So let's copy this. Then as you can see, this is not listed yet. So let's see how we can rank this on top of our Google searches. So for the SEO, Google Analytics and AdSense, we will need a simple free plugin which is by Google. So just go to your WordPress dashboard, go to plugins, click add new, and here search for sitekit. And you will see this plugin sitekit by Google, Analytics, Search Console, AdSense, Speed, and this is by Google. So just install and activate this plugin. And after activating the plugin, you will see this message: congratulations, the sitekit plugin is now activated and you can start setup. So just click this. And the first thing here, as you can see, connect Google Analytics as part of your setup. So we can enable this to make things simple. So just click this and click sign in with Google. This will take you to Gmail, where you can select your account and you will have to accept these 6 services. So continue. And now it's time to verify your ownership. So to verify this, just click on this and turn on metrics in your dashboard. So to show metrics in sitekit dashboard, you can allow this. So just click allow. And now you can set up Search Console. And this is for ranking your website on Google. So just click setup. And also you can set up Google Analytics, so just click next. And this will take you to dashboard again, and where you can select your analytics account. If you don't have one, just go to Google Analytics and click the first link. And here you will find a sign up button. Click on that, choose your Gmail and then sign up for Google Analytics. This is a simple process, and you can just follow that. And after sign up, you will see this dashboard where you can add your website as your property. So to add your website as your property, you can go to admin, and here you can create property. So just click on this and you can give it a name. So I'll write the website name. And then click next, and then you can choose industry category. So click this and choose the category of your website, and here I'll choose law and government, and then choose your business size. So depend on you that which type of website you are running. And this is just a question about Google Analytics, so you can choose a reason for this and just click on create. And here you can decide that which type of property is this. So we will choose web. This is for website, and we'll write our website URL here. So just copy your URL, paste it over here, give it a name, and click create stream. And now if I refresh this page, then we will be able to see our property over here. And here you can see the message is about GA4, which means that Google Analytics 4 property. Let me show you a quick difference between them. The property we created is already with GA4. If I go back to Analytics, then as you can see we have these two columns, and if you see these two columns only, then this means that your property is in GA4. And let's switch to another one. Now I can see this column also, and this is because this is not a GA4 property. And if you have this type of property, then you can upgrade to GA4 using this GA4 setup assistant. Let's switch back to our own property. And this is not working because maybe our data setting is not active. If I go to setup assistant, then here you can see that our data is not flowing and our signals are not started. So let's go to data settings, data collection, and we will get started. And we will activate this. You can also enable options like advanced settings to allow for ad personalization and so on. And let's go back, and now you can see this, the signal is on. And link to Google Ads, we will do this later. Let's refresh this page, and now I can select an account, which is this one, a property, and I can choose my property and all website data. Then I can click on configure analytics, and that's it. Congrats on completing the setup for analytics. So this was how you can add analytics to your WordPress dashboard, and here you can find your users, the location of the user, devices, channels from where they are coming, and your website traffic, total impression, clicks, unique visitors, and see how your content is doing. So here you can measure that which are the most visited pages on your website, and you can also find out the visitor experience on your website, like your website speed, how much time they're spending on your website, and in the last you can also set up AdSense. So let's quickly set up AdSense also. We will scroll down and click connect for AdSense. We will log in with a Gmail, and this plugin requires access to 7 services, which is fine. We will continue this, and now we can add this website to AdSense for approval. So just click on this, and before adding your websites to AdSense, make sure you have AdSense account. If you don't have one, just go to Google AdSense, and you can click on the first link and then sign up using your Gmail. This is simple, so let's skip this. And here we can add our website. So once you click this button, this will take you to AdSense dashboard, where you can write your website URL and can click save and continue, and connect your website to AdSense. So we will request a review for approval, so let's click on this. And now as you can see, getting your site ready to show ads. So this will take a few days, in which Google will review our website and will approve it for AdSense. Then after that we can display ads on our website. Now if I refresh this, then as you can see, review site in AdSense, which means that we already have added our website in AdSense. Let's go to the dashboard of this plugin. So you can see not enough traffic yet to display stats. So this website is new and we don't have enough traffic. And if I scroll down, and here you can see we can complete setup for AdSense, but we will have to wait for the website approval first. And once our website get approved, we will be able to complete the setup and display ads on our website. I have showed you that how we can put ads manually or automatically on our website. If you are interested in that, then you can watch my previous video for that. And now let's quickly change a few settings for the SEO. And for that we will add our project here and Google's console, and we'll add sitemap. And using that we will also be able to change our website title and description for each page inside Google searches. So for the SEO, we will need a simple free plugin. I showed you this in my previous video, and that is Slim SEO. And this is a very lightweight and fully automated SEO plugin. Just install and activate this. I have showed you the comparison between this and other plugins. You can easily migrate to this plugin if you are using any third party, any other SEO plugin like Yoast SEO and so on. And once you activate that plugin for the first time, you will need to fix this issue. This is due to the website full text. Just click on this, scroll down, and here choose exit. Save changes, and that's it. Now if I go to pages, and here I can edit any of the page, for example the home page, and here you can see it automatically detects our website title and some meta description for the page. We can also give this a Facebook image and Twitter image if you need, and you can also hide this from search, which we don't want. So this is a fully automated SEO plugin with which you can change the meta title and description on your own, and this will automatically pick a title and description for your page. Now if you want to change this, you can change right here. Now let's update this, and we can also add this to our property. So we will create a new project. The project name will be Verify IP, just the website name. We'll create this, and our project has been created now. And if I go back to WordPress dashboard, and under settings, we will find Slim SEO due to that plugin. Click on that, and here you can see we can just enable, disable things. We can also put header and footer codes, and we can add Facebook, Twitter images, Facebook app ID, Twitter site, and so on. And inside tool, we can easily migrate from any other SEO plugin to this, like Yoast SEO, all-in-one SEO, and so on. Select your previous plugin, click migrate, and that's it. So let's go to features, and if I go to sitemaps, here as you can see automatically generate XML sitemap to help search engine crawl and index the website content. So this will automatically generate a sitemap. And for the sitemap, if I go to search.google.com, and here I'll choose my new property, which is this one, and here we can see the performance of our website. And if I go to sitemaps, and here we can write our sitemap URL and can submit this, and then we can wait for the approval. Now as you can see, our sitemaps are automatically managed by this Slim SEO plugin, and in order to get this URL, we can just write sitemap.xml in front of our domain name and click enter, and this is our sitemap. So let's copy this and go to Search Console, and we can put that and submit this. And now our sitemap has been successfully submitted. Click got it. Now we can wait for this or just refresh the page. Hope that will. As you can see, the status is now connected. So this is how you can add sitemap to Google Search Console, and using this we can rank all of our pages. Now if I search for this website URL, you can see that our website is listed on the top of the Google searches. And if I search for Verify IP only, then here as you can see our website is listed on the second position. And we can also change this title and this description here in the page settings and Slim SEO. So this was how you can add Google Analytics and Google AdSense to your WordPress website, and then you can do auto SEO for your WordPress website for free. I hope you have learned something new in this video. If you have any questions, you can ask in the comment section. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next.